How to change the control box on your Rize Tranquility II base. Unplug from the electrical outlet and invert base. Always use assistance to invert the base. We're going to unplug the head motor. Give it a little wiggle, it pops out. The foot motor, same. And then the power cord here, you have to squeeze this to release it. Depress on the base to slide the control box out. Slide the new one back into place so you hear it click. Repeat your connections. That'll click in. Your head motor is blue. Your foot motor is red. And then power back up. And you have power on your control box.